Hey, welcome back to another Netcast. I'm Rich Lopez, Quantrix Authority. Sincerely appreciate you joining me again today for episode 28, where again, this is the last one I'm going to have on bulk insert items, rows and columns. This is part 3. You can look at a couple different ways on how to do this in episodes 26 and 27, but I did want to throw out there this other way using a data link, if you will. So let's say, for instance, that I have in a spreadsheet or the lesser program known as Excel or Google Docs, whatever, that I have a list of SKUs. And let's say there's 15,000 of them. And I want to get a list of these SKUs or a list of these IDs, whatever they are. I want to get them into Quantrix, and I want to get them there, relatively quickly instead of having to do that manually. So what I'd do is I'd go ahead and I'd copy them to Clipboard. And then I would go up to my menu in Quantrix. I'd click on Data, and this is so rad. I'd go Data, DataLink, and then I would select the option of, wait for it, Import from Clipboard. And when I do that, it shows me a data preview of everything that I have in my clipboard, gives me some options. Then I would really just step through this DataLink wizard and go ahead and I'd deselect this. First row is column header, then click Next. And I would want this to be in a multi-dimensional matrix. That way, that list of SKUs or those list of IDs, whatever they are, they come in as a category. Okay? And then I'm going to select Next. I'm just going to create a new matrix here, although I could tie it back to matrix 1. And then I'm going to select what I'm bringing in as a category is column 0. So treat items within that as items of that category. I'm going to click Next and just kind of walk through the wizard and click Finish. And you can see what happens is I go ahead, I get a new matrix called Data Matrix, and I have all 15,000 of those records that I had from my spreadsheet imported into Quantrix. So again, Data, DataLink, and wait for it, Import Data from Clipboard is some awesome functionality in Quantrix Modeler. Really great way to just get some raw data into Quantrix and really start working with it and modeling it out. If you have any questions about Quantrix Modeler that you need help solving or answering, or you want to bounce an idea off of me about how to model something, I'd absolutely love to do that for you. Feel free to reach out to me at quantrixauthority@gmail.com. Of course, follow me here at YouTube and on Twitter at QuantrixAuthor. I absolutely love Quantrix. Again, my goal is to make you a master at Quantrix. So please join me again for another episode of Quantrix Authority with Rich Lopez.